Here are a few herbs that will help you to fight against COVID-19. 1. Moringa. Moringa is a herb that can ward off many health complications. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, it should be your go-to herb for immunity strengthening. So what makes Moringa such a powerful immunity booster? It contains 7 times more vitamin C than even oranges. Vitamin C is the chief nutrient that our bodies need to build strong immunity. That's not all, Moringa also contains some other vital nutrients that strengthen your cells, muscles, tissues, and help your body heal. Consume Moringa for its high levels of potassium, iron, calcium, and amino acids. 2. Ginger. Ginger has been an age-old remedy for flu and the common cold. It can also be effective against COVID-19. It contains gingerol, an antioxidant that can power up our immune system and kill viruses. Ginger is particularly good in preventing respiratory tract infections. Add ginger to your meals, or you can also have it raw. 3. Tulsi. Tulsi is another wonder herb that is much favored by Ayurveda. This aromatic leaf can be your primary line of defense against COVID-19. Tulsi or basil is a powerful germicide. Because of its phytochemicals and antioxidants, it can effectively locate germs, viruses, and bacteria the moment they enter your body and destroy them. Simply chew a few leaves first thing in the morning. You can also add a few drops of water boiled with Tulsi leaves into your food. 4. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, which means it can decrease stress levels. Stress lowers your immune response and makes the body vulnerable to viral infections. Consume ashwagandha during this pandemic to reduce the risk of contracting the coronavirus infection. 5. Triphala. Triphala contains the antioxidative properties of 3 fruits: haritaki, bibitaki, and amla. It is loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which strengthen your immunity. Start your day with Triphala. 6. Neem. Since time immemorial, Neem has been respected and widely used as an immunity booster. It is very effective in keeping the body safe from attacks by harmful pathogens, thanks to its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Neem can also keep your blood clean. It purifies the blood by flushing away toxins, and this can strengthen immunity. 7. Garlic. Just like ginger, garlic too will protect you from coronavirus by stimulating your immunity. It contains allicin, a plant compound that acts as a germicide. But remember, to make the most of garlic, consume it raw or partially cooked. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.